electric field and electric potential due to a non-conducting sphere. There are 3 points. Okay, पहला है आपका if point P R is greater than to capital R, कहीं इसके आउटसाइड होगा. देन सेकंड पॉइंट को हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इफ पॉइंट P R इक्वल टू कैपिटल R. ठीक, उसके बाद में क्या थर्ड पॉइंट इफ पॉइंट P R इज लेस देन टू स्मॉल r, कहीं इसके इनसाइड होगा. ठीक, then first of all take a point P. If point P is less than greater than to capital R, somewhere is that point P. This is the Gaussian sphere. Now draw a Gaussian imaginary sphere with radius small r. Okay, now okay, this is the Gauss imaginary sphere which is act like as a Gaussian surface. Now take a small area element dA, small area element dA, and due to this charge sphere electric field at point P is radially outward, If we write electric field and area element dA lie in same direction, that means that area element vector dA and electric field are in same direction. That means we write as electric field E parallel to the area element dA. Okay, now apply Gauss theorem. Okay, Gauss theorem is that flux, this is the closed integral because this is the closed Gaussian sphere which is equal to vector dA vector E in dot dA equal to q upon epsilon naught. Okay, after that you will solve this scalar product. This is equal to closed integral E dA cos theta. This theta is angle between vector field E and area element dA which is equal to q upon epsilon naught. Okay, which is equal to E dA cos theta and angle between is 0. Now this is closed integral E dA. Okay, cos 0 degree and q upon epsilon naught. E is constant, so out from the integration sign and dA. Cos 0 value is 1 which is equal to q upon epsilon naught. This is the area of small area element of the sphere. Now adding all dA part, so become as the area of sphere which is equal to 4 pi r square and q upon epsilon naught. Okay, that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square, and this direction is radially outward due to this sphere is positively charged, uniformly distributed over the entire volume. Okay, this is the equation 1. This first part is solved when r is greater than to capital R. Now second point is that if point P, second point क्या है कि अगर आपका पॉइंट उसके सरकमफ्रेंस पर हो, स्फीयर की क्या हो आपके सरकमफ्रेंस पर, इफ पॉइंट P is then r equal to capital R. Now simple is that क्या करोगे 1/4 pi that q upon small r equal to become capital R square and direction is r cap. डायरेक्शन क्या रहेगी आपकी r cap. This is the simple electric field at the surface of the sphere. Okay. Now third point is that point P lie inside the sphere of capital R radius. R radius का स्पेयर है, इसके किसी इंटरनल पॉइंट पर हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ठीक, तो this is the center O and uniformly charge distribute entire the region and surface. Okay, now let us consider any point at the, suppose that this is the point P. Okay, here we find electric field. इस पर क्या हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना. नाउ this is the small radius r. Draw a imaginary Gaussian surface which is like as a Gaussian surface. और this is the radius of capital R ordinary sphere. Okay. Now take a small area element dA, small area element dA, and due to this positive charge इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज रेडियली आउटवर्ड. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी आपकी रेडियली आउटवर्ड होगी. दैट इज द एंगल बिटवीन इज थीटा. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E and dA vector are in same direction because electric field radially outward and direction of area element is always perpendicular to the surface. So become electric field E parallel to dA, that is become 0 degree. Okay, now apply Gauss theorem. Gauss theorem क्या है? Close integral E dot dA, okay, which is equal to q dash upon epsilon. Okay, q dash it means that charge of small r radius, charge of small r radius. q क्या होगा इस रीजन में, ओवरऑल रीजन में आपका चार्ज कितना है q, बट इस एंटायर स्मॉल r रेडियस पे जो आपका स्पेस में चार्ज कितना होगा आपका q डैश. बट दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. ओके, एज यू नो दैट वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी इज डिफाइंड एज चार्ज पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. ओके, चार्ज पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम विच इज इक्वल टू q अपॉन volume 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, now find volume charge density of small r radius sphere which is equal to rho q upon v dash, then q upon area volume of this sphere कितना हो जाएगा आपको 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, this is the equation number second and this is the equation number third. ठीक, ये हो गई आपकी इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. नाउ डिवाइड इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. इक्वल रेगुलर से कितना हो जाएगा ये, दिस इज द q डैश. ओके, तो q अपॉन 4/3 पाई r क्यूब, सॉरी कैपिटल R क्यूब, and that is equal to q डैश 4/3 पाई स्मॉल r क्यूब. देखो 4 पाई से 4/3 पाई कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट हियर q dash. Then q dash will become how much? q rq upon capital RQ. ठीक है, this is become q small rq upon capital RQ. This is the equation number 4. Okay, stop, write down.